And we got the head of the dog there, right? Yeah, we see the dog's head. We thought we heard the fire truck siren, but now we don't hear it anymore. Maybe they went the wrong way. I don't know. But we've got you calmed down for a change, huh? You recognize, okay, I've overstepped my boundaries, huh? I don't hear no siren anymore. Dirty. Yeah, dirty. Okay. 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 Okay.
It'll scare him, but I won't hurt him.
Yeah, no. Just do it.
Right there.
I'll scare him, but I won't hurt him.
Okay. Nothing else we can do.
Kind of like you guys and your jaws.
What do you think?
I can do it.
Here, just on the edge, and it'll crack.
It's up to you fellas, but I'd rather stay away from his neck, you know?
Yeah.
If I'd rather, you know, worst case, I'd rather graze his skull, you know?
Yeah.
But I won't hit him.
It's all talk communicating.
I can bust right through that sidewall. I can punch through that side, and like I said, it'll scare him, but I won't hurt him. I'll just bust up the cinder block.
Or take the block out. I was thinking, I got the cell. Yeah, the prep. It's a lot of work.
I think it'll be alright. That thing's not that heavy. Let's just go. Let's just try that.
Got it. You guys, it's all up to you guys. You say the word.
No, we're just talking about the options here.
I see what he's saying, or what you're saying. If you go in here, whatever it's gonna receive.
When I originally noticed, when you guys, I'm going with you, Keith, right?
Yeah, let's go right in here.
Done.
I'll tell you to stop.
How's he doing?
He's good. You're in the clear. You got a lot of space.
We might go right behind that now.
I'm gonna put my finger in front of it. Okay, I'm through here. I'm gonna do one on the back side.
Good.
On the back side, okay, but we're going to need to break it a little bit with your wrecking bar and the hammer. The bottom will just break away.